In this video, I'll guide you through how to view your 1099s in Gusto. Whether you're a freelancer, contractor, or a business owner managing multiple accounts, knowing how to access your 1099 forms is crucial for tax purposes. So let's dive right into it and make sure you have all the information you need right at your fingertips. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and navigate to gusto.com. If you haven't logged in already, go ahead and do so using your credentials. It's important to ensure that your login information is secure and up to date to prevent any unauthorized access to your financial data. Once you're logged in, look towards the top menu and find the section labeled Taxes and Compliance. This tab is your portal to all things tax-related within Gusto. Clicking here will open up a variety of options that help manage your business's compliance with tax regulations. Next, you'll see an option labeled Tax Documents. Click on this to proceed. The Tax Documents section is where Gusto stores all your essential forms and paperwork, making it easy to access whenever you need them. This is incredibly useful for keeping track of your documents in one centralized location, saving you both time and effort during tax season. Now, you're in the right place to find your 1099 forms. Look for the specific option that says 1099s and click on it. This will take you to a dedicated page where all your 1099 forms are organized. Here, you can view, download, and print your forms as needed. This feature is especially beneficial if you need to share these documents with your accountant or if you prefer having a physical copy for your records. One tip to ensure everything is in order is to check that all the details on your 1099 forms are accurate. Pay close attention to names, addresses, and financial figures. If you notice any discrepancies, it's important to address them immediately by contacting Gusto support or your employer, as these forms play a critical role in your tax filings. By following these simple steps, you've successfully accessed your 1099 forms in Gusto. This process not only helps you stay organized, but also ensures you're prepared when it comes time to file your taxes. Remember, keeping accurate and updated records is essential for a smooth tax filing experience. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials on managing your finances and using Gusto efficiently. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.